Okay, hi guys. Let's learn more about straight line graph. Today I'm going to talk about um, direct proportion, which is in 18.5. So far the straight line that we've learned is all about x and y. So you may ask why we need to learn so much about this, right? Now today I'm going to tell you another way, another usage of this straight line graph for. So this chapter is called, this part is called direct proportion. You remember direct proportion means you have two variables. If one go up, the other one also goes up. Like just like 1 pen equal to $1, 2 pen will equal to $2, 3 pen will be $3, and so on. This is called direct proportion. Okay, let's focus on this example from the textbook first. It says the cost of the petrol is $2.85 per liter. That means 1 liter is 2.85. So they ask you to write a formula in terms of C and L. C will be the cost, L will be the liters. So the answer is quite simple. You can see from here, C equal to 2.85 L. C represent the money, the cost, equal 2.85 liters. L means how many liters. Let's say if you buy 1 liter, that means you will have to multiply 2.85 with 1. That's why you get the cost as 2.85. If you buy 2 liter, that means you replace the L become 2, then times 2.85, then you get the answer for the total cost. So this is the what we call the question asked for. They ask you to write a formula. That is the formula. Okay. B, they ask you to show that on the graph um, and why it is passed through the origin. Okay, so you can see from here, C equal to 2.85 L. If you buy nothing, that means you don't buy anything. The L, the liter is 0. If 0 means you times 2.85, you also get 0, right? That's why the cost is 0 when the liter is 0. That means you buy nothing, you pay nothing. That is fair and square, right? Okay, this is how you are going to solve. The C, the question asks you to use your formula. That's why the answer from A to calculate how much can you buy for $500. So if you have this formula already, that means you know the cost as 500. So you can see use 500 now equal to 2.85 L. L is the one we are looking for right now. So in order to find L, you just have to use 500 divided by 2.85, just like this, just like this. So you get the answer 175.44. That means you can buy 175.44 liters. All right, that's it for this question. It's quite easy, right? Okay, now next, I want to show you the question from exercise 18.5. Let's see number 1. A metal wire costs $6.20 per meter. That means 1 meter is 620. So they ask you to draw a graph to show the cost up to 10 meters. Okay, let's see how am I going to draw the graph. Let's say this is the graph that we have. Okay, so firstly, you need to draw up to 10 meters. So if I use one box equal to 1, that means I need start from 0 here. 1, 1, 2, and 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the last one will be 10. So this is the 10 liters. Okay, so this part will be represent meter. This one will represent meter. Then this part will be the cost. This top part will be the cost. Okay. Sorry, I'm using mouse, so it's so hard to write. Okay, now if they ask you to plot until 10 meters. That means if 1 meter is 620, 10 meter will be 62, right? $62. So you can use one box from here equal to, 1 cm from here equal to 10. Then you have 20 and 30 and 30 and 40, 50, and then 60, and then 62. 62 is two tiny boxes here. So basically you'll be here, you'll be here. So that means if you buy 10 meter, you need to pay $62. This will be in terms of dollar right here. So what you do is you pass through origin, which is 0, 0. You need to use a ruler. I don't have a ruler right now. So you need to connect these until you reach this. It has to be a straight line. Sorry, this is not straight. Okay. Then after you have all this already, you need to answer the question. Question B is asking, work out the gradient of the graph. As usual, gradient is the vertical here, the length here, the vertical height here, divided by the horizontal. So in this case, it's 62 divided by 10. So you get your answer as 6.2 again. So it's 6.2 again. Right? The gradient of the graph is still 6.2. Then they ask you to write down the formula. The formula is quite easy. It's the same thing like the example just now. The cost now is equivalent to $6.20. You can write just 6.20 or just 6.2 is okay. Then multiply by M. M will be the meter that you're going to buy. All right, so this is the answer for C. Yeah, write down the formula. This is the formula. Okay, now D. They ask you to use the formula to find out the cost of 12.5 meter. So since we have the formula already, then you just have to replace the meter now become 12.5. That means your answer of the cost is 6.2 times 12.5, and then you get the final answer, right? Easy, right? So next one, number 2. The question asks for how many meters can you buy for 200? Let's say you have 200. That means our C now is 200. You are looking for the M right now. So just write this. And then from here, find out what is the M by divided 200 with 6.2. Then you get the final answer, right? So after that, you get the final answer for how many meter that you can buy. So this is all about direct proportion. So it's quite easy. And what is the usage for the graph? Okay, the graph is, let's say, after you have the graph like that, then let's say if I say I want to know how, if I want to buy 5 meter, how much I need to pay. So if your graph is accurate, you just have to read from here, the one with 5 meter, you touch here and then look at the value here. Look at the value here. So that will be your answer for the cost that if you buy $5, 5 meter. If you buy 6, then find out the answer for 6. 7, find out the answer for 7. Or if let's say I have $50, how many can I buy? Then you can get the value from the money here, 50, draw until you touch the line, then you look down, what is the value of this meter? Then that is the answer. That means you don't need to calculate using formula anymore. You just read from the graph. Okay, that is the usage for this graph. Okay, thank you.